this legislation is a disastrous and unfair piece of legislation which gives huge tax breaks to the people who need it the least, the very, very wealthy. It raises taxes on millions of middle-class families at a time when the middle class is struggling. It leaves 13 million more Americans without health insurance while raising premiums 10% a year when we're already paying far higher prices for health care than any other country on earth. It raises the deficit by $1.4 trillion. You know, how many hours have I sat here and have you sat there? And we've seen all the charts and all the discussions about how terrible the deficit is, what it means, leaving this burden to our kids and our grandchildren. We heard all of that rhetoric year after year, and now we have a bill that raises the deficit by $1.4 trillion. And let me be very clear. In my view, I have not the slightest doubt that if this bill, God forbid, is passed, as soon as it is passed, the Republican leadership will come back and say, my God, we have to deal with the deficit, and that's why we're going to cut Social Security, Medicare, Medicaid, and education.